ही जादू आहे शांतीनाथ पाटील सरांची आणि इन्स्पायरिंग इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग सेंटरची. हा इयत्ता 8वीचा मुलगा एकदम फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोलतोय. आपण याला आता काही प्रश्न विचारूया. टेल मी अबाउट युअरसेल्फ.
My name is Prathamesh. I study in 9th standard. My school name is Saraswati Vidya Mandir.
What you can, what you can't.
I can drive a bicycle, but I can't drive a car. I can repair mobile, but I can't make mobile. I can operate computer, but I can't repair computer.
What do you think?
I think that we should not smoke. Government should ban all smoking products. I request you don't smoke.
What are you doing?
I am going to visit to the market. I am going to buy vegetables there. I am going to meet my friend.
Tell me about your best friend.
My best friend name is Irfan. He is the topper in our class and he is my classmate.
Tell me something about Pune.
Pune is the one of the great city in our Maharashtra. Here are many malls, restaurants and hospitals. So that's why I like it very much.
Tell something about your grandmother's house.
My grandmother has a beautiful house. It has 4 rooms, 1 big kitchen and it has also a playground. So that's why I like it very much.
Tell something about India.
India is one of the great country in the world. It has many good cities, states and people. I am proud to be an Indian.
Thank you, Rumesh.
Thank you, sir.